since I've been talking about my startup, what I'm going to be building with. What am I even building? I'm not building anything revolutionary. I'm building what I will use as a small business group.
I'm building a social media manager that handles online replies for you.
Not like bots, not robotic, not corporate, just like you. Yes, you. No difference except it can't test your care. Come on, man, you still have to do that yourself, right? That's why I am documenting this journey on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe.